On a lighter note, woman claims she was dumped because she took secret trips to McDonald's.
Huh.
Her boyfriend is a vegan.
Oh, boy. That's why.
And thought she was cheating on him while she was sneaking out to get McNuggets. Her boyfriend's vegan diet didn't allow for it. The story was posted on Reddit's relationship advice board by a user named, I'm not going to read it. According to her post, she was in a relationship for 3 years. Her boyfriend had been a vegan, and when they moved in together, he asked her to try out the diet. Everything was okay at first, but apparently the author of the post says she started getting cravings for very specific meat products. Is this real? Is this stuff real? Sometimes I wonder if these Reddit posts aren't planted because they're too perfect.
Yeah.
I would literally have dreams where I'm surrounded by chicken McNuggets.
Okay, well, that might be a little bit exaggerated there. But who knows?
Stop it. No way.
Maybe she loves
Come on.
fast food.
Come on. I would watch Matt Stoney videos and get so jealous. So at least twice a week, I would sneak out of the house and say I'm just going to the supermarket or running errands. And then I go to McDonald's and eat a bunch of nuggets or a McChicken. I would then quickly go to the grocery store and buy random stuff so he thought I was really at the supermarket. She snuck out to McDonald's for months until recently her boyfriend got suspicious and confronted her. He accused her of cheating because she was constantly leaving the house and refusing to let him come with her, and they broke up. So he was thinking she was actually cheating, like in the human way, but she was just diet cheating in the sense that she wasn't being honest about the McChicken and the chicken nuggets. But even if she explained herself, he still might not be cool with that. He'd be like, hey, what about the vegan thing you were trying? Now you're dreaming about these McNuggets over here. So
you cheated on me with a chicken sandwich. Oh, no.
It doesn't matter why she was sneaking around. The point is that she was lying about it and keeping secrets from him. So, of course, he doesn't trust her anymore. And that's true as well.
Right.
Like, if you want the chicken nuggets and it doesn't fit with my particular outlook, then just tell me and then we can discuss it. And maybe the chicken nuggets are all right.
Yeah. It's a gray zone.
Yeah.
It's
maybe
never black and white.
Maybe there's a discussion to be had.
Yeah.
So, but obviously there will be no chance for that discussion. The story's too perfect. Yeah. And we don't have a headline if they don't actually break up. So
yeah.
Woman claims she was dumped because of secret trips to McDonald's. Yeah. What do you think about the choice of the McNuggets? Like, let's say, for example, Will, all of a sudden you are vegan for like a long period of time. Let's say, I don't know, a couple years. And then you start having a craving for a particular meat product. My question for you is, what is that first product on your comeback? What is the meat product? Maybe, let's make it simpler, a McDonald's product.
Oh. I would probably have to go with maybe a quarter pounder.
So your dream, you're surrounded by quarter pounders.
Like a double quarter pounder?
Oh my God.
Half a pound?
Easy, man. All right, now what if it doesn't have to exclusively be from McDonald's? Is there something that comes to mind?
A steak.
Yeah,
like
you just get right back to business.
Something. Yeah.
You get right back to business. Mo, do you have an answer for the same question?
I like steak.
He's going with steak as well.
What about you?
Taking the easy approach. Well, it wouldn't be McNuggets, that's for sure. That's why I asked you. I was like, that seems like an odd one. You're taking a vegan approach, and it's really the McNuggets that are killing you. Like, I mean, I don't mind McNuggets, but it just doesn't, it's not.
That's not your go-to.
It wouldn't be, I agree with you, but I would, so burger's a good one, but it wouldn't for me be a McDonald's burger. I'm going to give a shout out to a local spot. I'm going to give a shout out to Burgers Priest.
I thought you were going to go for chicken ramen.
Oh, well, no, but you said I was going to be a vegan for like a year. I can't come back to like a mild chicken soup.
Oh, okay.
I got to come back to something substantial if I've been off of it for a while. I'll give a shout out to the Burgers Priest. They have a few locations. You can probably track one down locally. They also have a chicken sandwich, but I would go for the High Priest on there. which is, there it is on the left. And this is kind of their version of a Big Mac, but more artisanal and for probably 3 times the amount of money. But you still have that, the tang that's associated with the Big Mac, and you have the pickles that's associated with the Big Mac.
Yep.
But you have it. Have you had this before?
Yep.
Oh, okay. Great. I don't know why I'm explaining to you. You've had that.
Does it have a mushroom on top?
No, not that one.
Oh, which one is it then?
I don't know. Probably one of the cheeseburgers maybe has a mushroom on top. I don't know.
The option. Yeah.
Oh, that's what
it has like a deep fried.
Wait a sec, but that's mushroom. The vegetarian one.
No, there's one with
the option. See how it says V?
Oh, that's the priest. Sorry, it's a priest.
The regular priest, not the high priest.
Yeah.
Okay, all right. Anyway, Mo, you have Burgers Priest.
It's great.
Yeah, okay. So anyway, we don't need to tell you what's delicious. Now you're getting hungry watching the thing, but I just want to give a shout out to the local spot. It's hard times right now, Will. 2021 for the food spot.
Well, you're making everyone hungry talking about this.
Yeah, but you can get it on your favorite delivery apps.
What, DoorDash?
Which is our sponsor. DoorDash on another episode. There's another one close by which you should check out, which is why am I forgetting the name? Fresh Burger. Fresh Burger is kind of like In-N-Out, more In-N-Out style for those that are in states that have In-N-Out local. This is more of an In-N-Out style. It's also very good, and this is a little bit closer to here, Will. If you want to give this a go.
Right on.
Anyway, I'm shouting out burger places now. Actually, this is funny that you mentioned ramen because my next story is about ramen.
Oh, okay.
Ramen Brother.